Hey everyone, this is Ryan Cote from Valentine here with a solo version of our Marketing Minute. So today I'm going to give you a Google My Business tip, a local SEO tip essentially. So with Google My Business, they not too long ago gave you the ability to add a description to your Google My Business, which is Google Maps, add a description to your listing on Maps. And so what you want to do with that description is you want to add a keyword-rich description about your business. You also want to choose the right category for your business so that when Google crawls that verified listing of yours, they're going to see the relevant category, which sends a signal to Google about what kind of business you are, and then they're going to see your keyword-rich company description, which is going to be another signal to Google. So they've got the category and they have the description. They both should be in sync about what kind of business you are, and those are two very good ranking signals for your website. That's it for today. If you want to receive notifications when we release new videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.